Now we will learn to read more words with long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the first board. C-A-R-E. C-A-R. And remember, letter E is silent. Care. Care has a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at the next board. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car has a short vowel sound. These are words that begin with letter O. Remember, O and A makes one sound. O is O as in oatmeal. Where's the oatmeal? Oatmeal begins with long vowel sound. O is O as in ocean. Where's the ocean? Ocean begins with long vowel sound. O is A as in octopus. Where's the octopus? Octopus begins with short vowel sound. O is O as in one. Where's one? Number one. One begins with long vowel sound. O is A as in asterisk. Where's the asterisk? Asterisk begins with short vowel sound. O is A as in otter. Where's the otter? Otter begins with short vowel sound. Now follow along silently as I read it aloud. Oatmeal, ocean, octopus, one, ostrich, otter. Very good. Listening and repeating words. Throughout this lesson, listening to the teacher and the learners repeating the words were utilized to facilitate learning. These are essential skills for learners because it provides practice in speaking and mastery of new skills. Repeating what was heard improves speed, confidence, and strong auditory visual connection that help learners begin to learn. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up.